Are you tired of always blowing your account when trading Boom and Crash? Then you need this spike strategy that will help you successfully catch spikes when trading Boom and Crash. No more being taken out of the market because of spikes. It's time to profit from them. So let's get into it. First, I'm going to show you how to use this strategy. Then I'm going to show you how to install it. So with this particular strategy, you want to make sure that you pay close attention to every detail, because every detail is very important and it matters. If you miss any part, you're going to make a mistake. All right. So for this strategy, we're going to be using we're going to be using three indicators. We're going to be using the moving average, then we're going to be using the RSI and the alligator. Don't worry, I'll show you how to install all this and I'll show you how to use them. But let's first reduce this so that I can show you exactly the first thing you need to do. The first thing that you need to do is you want to go to your M15 time frame. Then what you're going to be looking for on your M15 time frame is the current trend. Okay, what you're going to be looking for is the current trend, and you determine the current trend by looking at your moving average. So this is how you do it for Crash. I'll show you how you do it, how you use this strategy for Crash. I'll show you how you use this strategy for Boom. So this is specifically for Crash. All right, this is how you do it. You have to make sure that in your M15, right, in your M15 time frame, it is facing down like this, right? The moving average is facing down like this. If it's facing up like this, you don't take trades. You want to make sure that it's facing down, as you can see here. All right, it's facing down. Then the next condition that needs to be met, right, is you want to make sure that you come down to your M1. Come down to your M1. Then, right, then you want this alligator, right? This is the alligator here, this one here. You want this alligator to come and touch this 90 line. You want it to come and touch this 90 line. Now, I'm sure you're thinking like, oh, if it touches this 90 line, then I enter a trade. No. That's why I said you have to make sure you watch this entire video, all right, so that you understand clearly. Don't skip, you're going to make a mistake. So make sure that this alligator comes, touches that 90 line, and they move together. This green one usually is the first to touch, right? But as long as the green one has touched, even if the red one is a bit behind, as long as the green one has touched, that is a condition that has been met. But that's not all the conditions, right? There's also another condition that needs to be met. Once this alligator comes, touches this 90, what you do is you come now to your M5, right? In your M5, it's in your M5 that you're going to be taking the entries. Now, how do you do it? You do it like this, all right? You do it like this. So you've confirmed in your M15 that the trend is down, right? You've confirmed that okay, here in M15 the trend is down. You come over here, your alligator is touching that 90 level. Then your entry is going to be in your M5, all right? In your M5. So this is how you're going to be doing it, okay? This is how you're going to be doing it. You want the market to come and touch, right? And touch this moving average here. You want it to come and touch that moving average. All right, so you don't need to enter exactly when it touches. You can enter a little bit before it touches. Now let me zoom in here so that I can show you what I mean. Okay, let me zoom in so that I show you what I mean. So you want to enter, let's say here, just before it touches here, you enter your trade. All right, you enter your trade. This is a very, very powerful strategy. Very, very powerful. But you have to make sure that you follow all these steps, okay? So, firstly, you confirm all those conditions. Then, when it reaches near this moving average, you enter your trade, okay, you enter your trade. When do you take your profit? When you experience two good spikes or one very big spike. So we can see here that the market actually came and touched this line. Let me show you over here. We can see here that the market actually came and touched that line and spiked. Okay, we can see that we got a spike. So once you get two good spikes or one very big spike, you exit the market. Okay, you take your profits, right? And then for your stop loss, as usual, 10% of your 10% of your account size and below. 10% of your account size and below is going to be your stop loss, okay? Don't try to hold positions hoping that the market will reverse, because you get other opportunities. Now, if you blow your account on one trade, you're going to miss other profitable opportunities, all right? So that's exactly how you're going to be doing it for crash, all right? Now, it doesn't matter how good of a strategy you have. If your risk management, you struggle with risk management, you're going to find it difficult to be profitable. So if you're struggling with risk management when trading boom and crash, then you need the bulletproof risk management PDF. People pay up to $300 to get a package that has this risk management PDF in it, but I'll send it to you for free. Simply click the link in the description below that will take you to my WhatsApp. Once you're on my WhatsApp, just tell me I need the risk management PDF and I'll send it to you for free. So this is how you do it for Boom. This is how you use this strategy to catch spikes on Boom pairs. Same for all the Boom pairs. First, you go to M15 time frame. Then you make sure that it is an uptrend. You confirm the trend using the moving average that's on your main chart. So as we can see here, it is facing up like that. All right, so which means this pair is in an uptrend. Once that is confirmed, right, you confirm the trend here on the M15, you come down to your M1 time frame. Then on your M1 time frame, the thing that you want to confirm is this, your RSI and your alligator. One of these, the red or the green alligator, must be touching this 10 level. All right, it must touch this 10 level. Okay, this 10 line you're seeing here. This alligator must come, one of them, whether it's the green or the red line, must come and touch that line. Once it touches that line, you don't yet enter. What you do is you come over to your M5, right, to your M5 time frame, and you wait for the market to come over and touch this moving average, okay, to come and touch this moving average. Or if it's extremely close to the moving average, you can enter your position. All right, you can enter your position. So this is how we do it for Boom. Now, let me show you how to install the strategy. This is how you install the strategy. So you simply come over here, you click on F. Then on your main chart, this is what you want there to be on your main chart. This moving average. Period 200, shift 0 method, exponential, apply to close, and you can pick the style and color of your choice. All right. Once you do all that, you click done. For me, it's already there, so I don't need to click done. But once you do that, you click done. Then you come over here again on your main chart and you click on this F, right? So you come over here and you click here on this F here, right? You tap on this F. Then once you tap there, right? Once you tap on that F, what you want to do is come down and look for your relative strength index, right? Then these are the settings for your relative strength index. Period 14, apply to close. Style, right? You want to make sure that the style is the same color as your background. So if you've got a black background, you make sure you choose here black. If you've got a white one, you choose white. So here my background is white, and that's why I've chosen white. All right. Then for your levels, these are your levels right here. These are your levels. So take a screenshot of this. Okay, take a screenshot. And then here, take a screenshot. All right, then click done. All right, so then once you have that indicator up there, this relative strength index, what you want to do is now on indicator window 1, you tap this little F plus logo there. Then what you want to look for is your alligator. So you tap on alligator. Then these are the settings. Okay, take a screenshot of this. All right, all this, take a screenshot of all this and make sure that it's the same for you. All right, then for this Jaws style you see here on the styles, make sure it's also the same color as your background. Okay, so if you've got a black background here, you choose black. If you've got a white one, you choose white, or whatever color your background is. Then once you do that, click done. Once you click done, your chart must look the way this chart looks. Now you've got yourself a very powerful strategy. Now, if you don't have the right mindset, this strategy is not going to make the amount of money that it needs to make for you. So you need to know the worst trading mindset that are keeping you from making $1,000 in trading. So make sure you watch this video appearing on your screen that will teach you that, and I will see you there.